So we're down at Ballycastle Beach and the tide is coming in and it's very warm, really nice.
My name is Lenny White. I'm reporting from Ballycastle with two headers called Tommy Knoxville.
I made a lovely meat-free meatballs and pasta, tomato sauce and that there, and it was absolutely, that's the first time he tasted the meat-free meatballs and they were lovely, weren't they?
Plant-based meatballs,
yeah. So we have a sea mist that's come in. I would love to go for a paddle, but
she's just awake from her sleep. She was snoring for 3 hours in the tent. So I got the bed, the pump in the bed, and when you pull it up, it blows out the air and put it out her ear, and she woke up.
Yeah, and how did I get you back?
I went for a sleep then, and then I was just getting in the wee doze. I heard the pots and pans clattering outside like this.
He started it, so I'm seriously going to get him back. Like, you have to have a bit of fun when you're away, practical jokes. So I need to find a joke shop because I want a wee can of that fart spray so that I can spray it in Nanny's car without it knowing. And stink him out to be watching all these wee videos and it was sitting laughing my head off. So I have to get a can of that. So tomorrow, hopefully I will find a wee joke shop and go in and have an itching powder. I'll put itching powder in his jumper. But I'm one of those, when I've done a practical joke, I give it away because I can't stop laughing. So relaxing down here. So we're going to see a wee bit of entertainment tonight. There's a wee man who sings and plays the guitar. And whoa, it's coming in quick. So we're going to watch and listen to him. And we're going to treat ourselves to a wee Guinness. Absolutely lovely place. So we're going to have an ice cream after we have our wee walk. That's the golf course up there. And I will catch us all later.